Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking travel post for your social media. Creating a travel post on Instagram is really easy. Within a few minutes, you can modify templates already created by professionals. That is the best part of Canva, which allows you to modify, tweak, and customize professionally designed templates. So, without delay, create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Travel Instagram Post. So now we will be creating an Instagram travel post. These are the Canva templates available for you to explore. To view all the options, go to See All. You can pick whichever template you like. You can see that everything from minimalist to professional templates is available. Maybe I will go with this one. It looks free. You can explore more, and if you don't like any of them, just click on Customize this template. And now you can see that I have full access to design or add anything or remove anything I want. For example, if you want to change the text, just click on the text and add your own text, or remove the existing text. And for more features, just click on the text. These are the available options. You can try them out. They are basic and easy to understand. That was all about text. Now, if you want to replace this image or background, you can do so by going to Upload. Upload an image from your computer. For now, I will go with Pinterest. I will pick a random image from Pinterest. Maybe this one. I'll just copy it and paste it over here. Now your image will appear here. You need to just drag and drop it like this and adjust its position. Just click on it, then double-click on it, and like this you can reposition it. Or I will maybe go with this one and just paste it here. Just drag and drop it like this. And if you want to add elements like this, you can go to Elements and search for any elements, like travel elements. Go to the Graphics section and you can add any elements you like. To change the color of this element, go to Color and make it white. In a similar way, you can add any elements you want. To change the color of this rectangle, select one of the colors. And yeah, like this. You can modify whatever you like. You can add your own details, information, images, elements, branding, colors, and more. When you are done with your customization or modifications, just rename your file here. To download it, go to Share, then Download, and download it as a PNG or in any other format. And you are ready to upload your travel Instagram post to your Instagram account.